3 people were killed after gunfire outside the Seattle Center Armory during the Bite of Seattle Festival Sunday evening. Seattle police say 7 people were struck, 1 person was arrested, and detectives are pursuing leads on other possible suspects. This is No Spins, Just News for July 27th. Police say preliminary information indicates that 2 people exchanged gunfire outside the armory at about 6 p.m. Pacific time. The event time was Sunday. The substantial update was published early Monday, after police reported that a 19-year-old man, a 44-year-old man, and a 56-year-old woman had died. Seattle police say 2 people died at the scene and the 3rd died at a hospital. 4 other people were hospitalized, according to the department. Police said one of those patients was a toddler. The department has not publicly established a motive, identified a second suspect, or said who fired the shots. Associated Press reports that police were seeking a second suspect. Those details remain part of an active investigation, not confirmed conclusions about responsibility. The confirmed change is the fatality count and the arrest status in a Sunday shooting at a public festival. It is not a finding about motive, gang involvement, or the actions of individual victims. Seattle police asks anyone with information, photos, or video to contact investigators. Direct source links and the department's contact information are in the description. Next is a court update with a clear procedural limit. The Justice Department asked the Supreme Court on Monday to let parts of the administration's election executive order take effect while court challenges continue. This is an application to the court. It is not a Supreme Court ruling, and it does not change election procedures today. Associated Press reports that the request seeks to pause lower court blocks affecting 23 states and the District of Columbia. The executive order directs federal agencies to pursue citizenship list and voter eligibility actions and directs work on mail ballot procedures. The administration says the measures are intended to verify eligibility. States challenging the order argue that election rules are set by states and Congress. Those are the parties' positions in ongoing litigation. The procedural timeline matters. A district court blocked parts of the order. The First Circuit then declined to put that injunction on hold. Monday's filing asked the Supreme Court to change that temporary posture while the cases proceed. No Supreme Court response was reported by this edition's cutoff. So the verified development is a new emergency request, not approval of that request. The next confirmed signals would be a court order, a response from the states, or a lower court filing. Until then, no nationwide mail ballot rule change should be inferred from the application. Finally, the Gordie Howe International Bridge between Detroit and Windsor has opened to vehicle traffic. This is a continuation of this morning's report, which said the new crossing was scheduled to open as early as noon. The change this evening is that the opening is now a completed event. Associated Press and Global News report that vehicles began using the 6-lane crossing Monday. The Canada Border Services Agency says its port of entry connects Windsor and Detroit and operates continuously. That does not mean ordinary border procedures disappeared. Travelers and commercial operators still need to follow customs, toll, and entry requirements. The bridge gives the corridor another vehicle route. It is too early to make a verified claim about first-day wait times, freight volume, trade costs, or traffic shifting from other crossings. This update reports the opening itself, not those possible effects. Watch for official operating data or any confirmed border service notice. That is the verified PM report for July 27th. If this report helped, smash the like button, share this video, and subscribe.